What's up, y'all? This is John Helm with Helm Wood Shop and Smithy, back with another knife making video. Last week I made this beautiful Damascus San Mai-ish 7-layer blade, and it came out great. I am a little bit disappointed with the etch. Putting it in the vinegar instead of coffee after the ferric chloride resulted in a very gray, sort of monotone looking etch, and I definitely want to get some more contrast. So I am going to go ahead and resand this up to 1500 grit and do the etch over. But before I do that, I'm going to fit up the guard because I'll likely get a scratch or two on the blade during that process. I do have a pretty cool plan for this handle. Are going to be made from a billet where I sandwich high carbon steel with Damascus. It should be really cool. We should get lots of contrast after the etch, and I'm pretty excited. For the actual handle, I'm going to be using African blackwood. I'm going to use a sandwich technique, and I'm going to pin it all together with a Corby fastener. Even though this is a hidden Tang knife, I'm going to be using a sandwich technique to accommodate the Tang since it is curved. So I want to use the Corby fastener just to add some mechanical support to that glue joint. Alright, but that's enough talking for now because I have a crap ton of work that I have to get done today, so let's get started. So, I am really frustrated. I'm obviously gonna have to make a new guard. I can't send it out with two huge delaminations in it. And I also can't grind out the delaminations. They're far too deep for me to just reprofile the guard. So I'm gonna be starting from scratch. I don't think I'm gonna go with a Damascus San Mai this time. I think I'm just gonna use a piece of copper and I'll acid etch it, maybe stack it with some G10 or something. Still gonna make a really cool handle, but I am pretty disappointed that that one didn't work out because it really was gonna be a nice touch. But it's not a requirement for the blade. It wasn't specified by the client. So again, I just decided to bite off more than I could chew for no apparent reason, which is a lesson that I should have learned by now. But when it works out, it does always feel nice to give the client something that is above and beyond what they asked for. Even without that guard on it, I still believe that this blade is going to be exactly that. But unfortunately, that is all for today. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and if you did, please remember to comment, like, subscribe, all that jazz. So be sure to tune in next time because I will hopefully be finishing this knife as long as the stars are aligned appropriately or something. And until then, y'all have a good one.